Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a chimney cleaning service website using Wix Website Builder. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account for completely free. After creating your account using your email address, you're going to tap on Create New. Then you'll be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, you're going to tap on the search bar, and I want you to type in Chimney, and you'll see the option Chimney Service. You could select Chimney Service right there, or you could select Chimney Cleaning Service if you want. So you can see this option, and we can tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can give your website a name. So you can tap on the name right here, and we could type in, for example, cleaning service. So let me do that real quick. Then we'll tap on Continue, and you can also add in your business address. After doing that, you can select your opening and closing hours. So we'll be opening shop 8:30 a.m. and closing at 5 p.m. So let's do that real quick, and we'll be opening from Monday to Friday. Then tap on Continue once more, and you can select the services that you would like to offer. If you don't see a service that you offer, all you'll need to do is tap on Create New Service. Then you could type in the service that you offer. So let's say, for example, I'll type in chimney cleaning. Then we'll tap on Save, and we'll tap on Continue. After doing that, you can add in your staff member's name and email address, and tap on Continue once more. And if you'll be accepting payments online, you can take that. You can also accept payments in person. Then tap on Continue to Dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to edit the services that you have added. To do this, you'll hover over Catalog from the left-hand menu option, then select Booking Services, and for example, chimney cleaning that we have added right here, all we'll need to do is tap on Edit. Then we can add the picture or the profile pic for this service by tapping on the plus. You could select Upload Media and upload an image, or you can select Media from Wix, and we could type in Chimney right here. I'm just going to be selecting a copyright-free image. So let's say, for example's sake, this one, and I'll tap on Add to Page. After adding it to the page, we could add a description, add the duration of the service, and also the price that we would like to charge. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save in the top right-hand corner, and you can continue editing the other services. So you can add in the information for the other services also. And to set up how you'll be getting paid, you can tap on Getting Paid from the top left-hand corner. Then from there, I want to show you a few things. First, you can also use pay links to accept payments. So you could tap on Create Pay Link, and you could send it to a customer. You can also send invoices using Wix to potential customers or clients. You can also send quotations and also proposals by going over to the left-hand menu option. So there are numerous ways you can accept payments using Wix. Then you will tap on Connect Payment Method, and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. So for example, if I were to change my location to the United Kingdom, you'll realize that I'll now be able to offer my potential clients a lot more payment options. For example, Wix, PayPal, and we can also accept Square, Klarna, ClearPay, and so much more. So it varies depending on the region you're in. After setting up the payment options, you'll tap on Set Up in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. And from here, you can see different templates that you can choose from. Let's say, for example's sake, I'll be selecting this one, so I'll tap on Edit. First, we'll close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner. Then we can start editing our website. All you'll need to do to edit any section is hover over the section, then tap on Quick Edit, and from the right hand column you could change the name. You can also change the background color. Then we could tap on this section and we can change the background color by tapping on Change, selecting Image, and from there I'm just going to select Chimney once more, and we're going to be selecting an image, let's say for example say this one, and I'll tap on Change Background. And just like that, I've changed the background image. We can also change the text by selecting the text from the right hand column. You can change the text also. It's as easy as that to edit your Wix website, and you can scroll down and continue editing each section. When it comes onto Wix, they provide you with the perfect layout or template to create a professional looking website even if you're a complete beginner. For example, this text section, you could tap on it and you could edit the text to your liking, type in whatever you want. And to view the different pages on your website, you will tap on Home in the top left hand corner, then select About Us, and from there you could edit the About Us page. Again, to edit the background image, you can tap on Quick Edit, and you can change the background image and also change the text. It's as easy as that. To add additional text or button, let's say we would like to add a button right here, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and these are the different elements that you can add. If I wanted to add a button, I will just hover over a button, then drag and place the button wherever I want, let's say right there. After placing the button, we can tap on Settings. You can edit the button text. You can tap on Choose a Link and choose the page that you would like to redirect persons to. Then tap on Done, and just like that. If it is a case that you like to add a page, you can tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, select Add Page, and you can select what type of page you would like to add. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.